y'all, welcome to Soulsome Foodie. Today we will be making a low-carb zuppa toscana. To see how easy this is, stay tuned. The main ingredients for today are going to be cauliflower, onion, chicken stock, chicken broth, kale, heavy cream, and Italian sausage. The seasonings we'll be using are smoked paprika, crushed red pepper, garlic powder, sea salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic paste. In a large pot, you're going to begin by breaking down the Italian sausage until it is starting to cook and almost cooked all the way through. Okay, here I am now adding all of the seasonings. You'll see me mix it together really well as I continue to cook the sausage. Okay, here I am adding in the onion. I'm going to mix that well. Now that the seasonings have all been mixed in and the onion has cooked down, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken stock and my chicken broth. I'm going to give that a stir, and here I am adding in the cauliflower. The original Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden uses potato, but what makes this low carb is this cauliflower substitute. Trust me, you won't even miss the potato. Here I am adding in some kale. I'm going to place a lid on this and bring this up to a boil next. Alright, now that my soup has come to a boil and all of my ingredients have been well incorporated, the last ingredient is going to be some heavy cream. This is just going to make it super luscious and rich and delicious. I'm going to bring this up to a boil one more time and we are done and going to be ready for plating. Alright y'all, it's plating time. Now tell me that wasn't the quickest and easiest soup ever. So easy. And wait until you taste this. It is so rich, so yummy, so tasty. You get a ton of vegetables. It's just so good. Here I am just adding some garnish of parsley and some crispy bacon to the top. Oh my goodness. So delicious. I hope you enjoy these close-up shots of this delicious dish. If you try it, let me know. Thank you for rocking with me and staying until the end. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, Soulsome Foodie, and I will see you next time.